iPhone SE 2 series will receive the Express Transit function. With its help you can freely pay for travel by simply bringing your smartphone to a contactless terminal with NFC. No need to enter a password or even use Touch ID or Face ID. Analysts are confident that using the latest A13 Bionic chips will make the ninth iPhones more attractive to users of older models who do not want to spend money on expensive flagships. It is known that with the release of iOS 14, the appearance of the main screen will change. All installed programs will be visible on it. Also in the code of iOS 14 found information about AirPods 3, iPad Pro and other devices. Future iPad Pro tablets will be equipped with a triple camera. Currently, Apple TV and new remotes are being developed. AirTag, a device that helps track lost items, is expected. You can install third-party wallpapers on devices. Future AirPods will be overhead, large and most expensive. They will present two models, in white and black. Released iPhone SE 2 and iOS 14. There is not even an estimated date for the presentation of the iPhone 9 and the start of sales. Everything will depend on the situation with coronavirus in the country and the world. Most likely, the release of iPhone 9 will take place in the second half of 2020. Some insiders suggest that Apple will postpone the release of the iPhone 12, which is traditionally presented in September. This year, due to problems with production and supply, the event may be postponed to October or November.